y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing the Cloth and Paper April subscription box. So this just came in, so it came in pretty late. Luckily I haven't seen anything, so it's going to be a little bit of a surprise. I believe I switched to A5 in time. We will see. But yeah, we are opening it up, and you have your little like reminder that you could get your pin subscription, and this is where it would go. I'm not a fan of changing around pins, so I won't do that. You have your what's inside card, and then we have all of the items inside. So let's take these out. And it actually looks like I did not switch to A5 in time because it looks like I have personal size, so that works out fine. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So first thing is this reporter notepad. So it said this month we've included the perfect spiral notepad to use on the go. Our new reporter notepad includes a simple lined page design, making it perfect for quick notes, lists, or journal entries. So it is a 3.5 by 5.5 inch notepad with 80 lined pages. It's actually really cute. I think this is cute. I'm wondering, since they're they have lined on here, if they'll come out with a maybe grid or graph style as well. Let's take her off. The quality feels amazing on the exterior. So it's just like a regular notepad, so you have a little strap right here so you can keep it closed, and then you also have subject and date, so that way you can really just use it for something in particular on the go. It does say that it's pocket size, so I wonder if it's in a pocket agenda, maybe on the side based on whatever you have. And then it's just a regular notepad on a coil. So front and back, here is that. And then there are mini gratitude note cards. So it says our new set of mini gratitude note cards are perfect for writing little notes to those you're grateful for, whether it's your closest friend or a complete stranger. These notes are sure to make anyone's day. They are 3.9 by 2.6 inches. There are 25 cards and 25 envelopes. I honestly do not need this, so I will be destashing it, so I don't want to open it. But on here you can just see you have a cute image. And I just wanted to say a spot to write notes, or sorry, the date, and then you have a little note section here, and then it looks like it says gratitude on the envelopes. Save that. And then I think the entire theme, it looks like, is gratitude. So you have, let's go with a daily gratitude log. So these are the new inserts. It says that it allows you to keep track of all of life's good moments all in one place. Each page allows for a month of gratitude logging. Our weekly check-in insert provides a space to check in with yourself at the beginning and end of each week, which is this one. So check-in and then gratitude log. So on here you have commitments, priorities, organize, ideas, and you can write the week up here. And then weekly intentions. How can I have a productive week? How can I be present this week? So this is really great if you have probably a stressful week. You could really use this. And then with the daily gratitude log, I mean, I know it says gratitude on it, but you could really use this for anything. It's just a dated monthly list. I think I'm going to use this for non-gratitude related items and just wipe that out. Same with this. I feel like these would work great for work. So you have those. And then you have the new composition stickers. It says that this unique set includes 30 different size sticker sheets with various sticker shapes and colors on each sheet. Not only are these stickers perfect for your planner, but they also can be used to seal your new gratitude note cards. So that's cute. So you could use the little circles to seal them. I do like these. I'm actually really excited to use these in my planners because I think these will be fun. And you have different square and circle options. And then we have a little bag of stuff, so let's open this up. So we have some art dashboards. So let's see what these are called. This is Serenity Dashboard, and then you have a Vellum Courage Dashboard. And let me zoom in so y'all can see this a little bit better. So here are these. And those are the dashboards. You also get a affirmations sticky note. So it's a list of 1 to 5 with a note section on it. And it says that these provide a quick way to keep track of your daily affirmations each morning. Attach these to your mirror or to your daily planner to serve as a pleasant reminder for you all day long. They are 3 by 3 inches and there are 50 sheets on here. And again, I'm probably not going to use these for affirmations. I'm probably going to use these as a to-do list because I love the style of these. So always use the things that you get for what you need it for and what works best for you. I'm all for like repurposing whatever I need. And then next set of sticky notes is the shape sticky note. So you have a drop and a square, and it's in the same color palette as the composition, which I think would be really cute in my planner. So we have these. And then last up is the journaling cards. So we have the June card, the Abundance quote card, the Cultivate card, and then the Necessities for My Life. And these are actually pretty cute. You can actually fill these in. These would be cute in front of your planner if you're trying to create a gratitude journal, and have these maybe like on your inbox or on your dashboard. But the Cultivate Yourself just has traits to magnify, minimize, find, and avoid. And then the Necessities for My Life, this is a list of non-negotiables, so this could be really motivating. I'll probably use these in my academic planner because these are 2 important things to really highlight. And then, yeah, that is everything that came in this subscription box. So overall, I'm gonna destash the cards, probably the notepad as well. I know I'm not gonna use it. And probably also destash the dashboards. I know I'm not gonna use those as well, but I am gonna keep everything else. As I mentioned, I'm gonna repurpose the inserts. I'm debating whether or not to destash these, because I know I can probably use them, but I feel like I would prefer just to destash them. But I'm definitely keeping the gratitude log just because I like the list and I can use this for other things. So yeah, other than that, that is going to be it for this video. If you all have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.